Your credit score isn't just a number. It affects everything, from getting a mortgage, buying a car, or even landing that dream apartment. Many people make simple mistakes that slowly, silently drag their score down. Today, we're breaking down the 5 biggest mistakes ruining your credit score and how to fix them before it's too late. Mistake number 1, late or missed payments. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score, so even one late payment can have a bigger impact than you might think. For example, paying a credit card a few days late can stay on your report for months and make lenders nervous. The fix? Set up automatic payments or reminders, and if you ever miss a payment, pay it as soon as possible. Then call your lender. They may remove the late mark if it's your first time. Mistake number 2, maxing out your credit cards. Using too much of your available credit, say over 30% of your limit, can hurt your score, even if you pay on time. High utilization signals risk to lenders, like you're relying too heavily on credit. Tip: spread your spending across cards or pay balances multiple times per month to keep utilization low. Mistake number 3, applying for too many credit accounts at once. Every application triggers a hard inquiry, which can temporarily drop your score. Imagine buying several new credit cards in 1 month. Lenders may see that as a sign of financial stress. Only apply for credit when necessary and space out applications over time. Mistake number 4, closing old credit accounts. The length of your credit history counts for about 15% of your score. Closing a 10-year-old card might lower your average account age and reduce your score. If a card has no annual fee, it's often better to keep it open, even if you don't use it regularly. And mistake number 5, ignoring your credit report. Errors happen all the time. Incorrect balances, late payments that never happened, or even fraudulent accounts. Not checking your report means these mistakes go unnoticed, dragging your score down. Make it a habit to review your report at least once a year and dispute any errors immediately. Your credit score is one of the most powerful tools you have for financial freedom. Avoid these common mistakes. Pay your bills on time, monitor your credit, and keep your spending in check. A few smart moves today can protect your score and open doors tomorrow. If you found these tips helpful, hit like and subscribe, and start taking control of your financial future today. Welcome to the Practical Millionaire, where wealth is built practically.